whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of the guns at once and explode into space. I like smoke and lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild. Born to be wild.
Oh, well, come on, everybody, and let's get together tonight. I got some money in my jeans, and I'm really gonna spend it right. Well, I've been doing my homework all the week long, and now the house is empty and my folks are gone. Woo, come on, everybody. Oh, well, my baby's number one, but I'm gonna dance with 3 or 4. And the house will be a-shaking from the bare feet a slapping on the floor. Well, when you hear the music, you just can't sit still. If your brother won't rock, then your sister will. Woo, come on, everybody. Oh, well, we really have a party, but we gotta put a guard outside. If the folks come home, I'm afraid they're gonna have my hide. There'll be no more movies for a week or two. No more running around with the usual crew. Who cares? Come on, everybody.
Stitch Nick's alive. It looks like we got us a convoy.
It was a dark moon on the 6th of June and the Kenworth pulling logs. Cab over peak with a reaper on and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was heading for Bear on I-10 about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, Big Ben, this is Rubber Duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down.
Cause we got a little old convoy rocking through the night. Yeah, we got a little old convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, ain't nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across the USA. Convoy.
Hello, Breaker, Big Ben. This is the Doc. You want to back off them logs? 10-4, about 5 miles so. Tell Roger them logs is getting intense up here.
By the time we got into Tulsa town, we had 85 trucks in all. But there was a roadblock up on the Clover Leaf, and the bears was wall to wall. Yeah, them smokers as thick as bugs on the bumper. They even had a bear in the air. I says, calling all trucks, this is the Duck. We're about to go hunting bear.
Cause we got a great big convoy walking through the night. Yes, we got a great big convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on, join our convoy, ain't nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across the USA. Convoy.
All right, you want to give me a 10-9 on that, Big Ben? Negatory, Big Ben. You're still too close. You're hurrying and starting to close up my sinuses. Bless sake, you better back off another 10.
Well, we rolled up Interstate 44 like a rocket slid on rails. We tore up all our swindle sheets and left them sitting on the scales. By the time we hit that Chi-Town, those bears were getting smart. They brought up some reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard. There's armored cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size. Yeah, them chicken coops was full of bears and choppers filled the skies. Well, we shot a line and went for broke with 1,000 screaming trucks. 11 long-haired friends of Jesus in a chartreuse microbus.
Hey, Rubber Duck, you soft buster. Come on with the F-10 bar, soft buster. Listen, Well, you want to put that microbus in behind the suicide jockey? We're here called Dynamite. He needs all the help he can get.
Well, we laid a strip for the Jersey Shore and we prepared to cross the line. I could see the bridge was lined with bears, but I didn't have a doggone dime. I said, Big Ben, this is the rubber duck. We just ain't gonna pay no toll. We crashed the gate during 98. I said, let them truckers roll 10 falls.
'Cause we got a mighty convoy walking through the night. Yeah, we got a mighty convoy. Ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy. Ain't nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across the USA. Convoy.
10-4, Big.
I blame you for the moonlit sky and the dream that died with the eagle's flight. I blame you for the moonlit nights when I wonder why are the seas still dry. Don't blame me, sleeping satellite. Did we fly to the moon too soon? Did we squander the chance in the rush of the race? The reason we chase is lost in romance, and still we try to justify the waits for a taste of man's greatest adventure. Whoa. I blame you for the moonlit sky I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, or whatever that means. Into a crisis times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I am feeling a little peculiar. Into a take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say,
just said nothing. I don't mind Your looks never lie. I was always on the run, finding out what I was looking for, and I was always insecure. Oh, just until I found words often don't come easy. I never learned. You'll be inside of me, you'll know my baby, and you were always patient, dragging out what I try to hide. I was always on the run, finding out what I was looking for, and I was always insecure. Until I found, oh, you were always on my mind. You're the one I'm living for. You're my everlasting vibe. Oh, always shining the night, always a good friend, a glass of wine, and the lights down low. And you lying beside me full of love and filled with horror.
quei momenti fra di noi, i distacchi e i ritorni, da capirci niente poi, già come vedi sto pensando a te. Sì, da un po'. Sono umane condizioni, stare bene oppure no, può dipendere dai giorni, dalle nostalgie che ho, già come vedi sto pensando a te, come se questo tempo non fosse passato mai. Dove siamo stati, cosa siamo poi, confinati di cuore solo che ognuno sta dietro gli steccati degli orgogli suoi. Sto pensando a te, sto pensando a noi. Oh. Yeah. Sono cose della vita, vanno prese un po' così, è già stata una fatica arrivare fino a qui, già come vedi io sto ancora in piedi, perché sono umani tutti i sogni miei, con le mani io li prenderei, sì, perché sono umani questi sogni miei, con le mani io li prenderei, yeah. Sono cose della vita, ma la vita poi dov'è, 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 se da quando è partita un inseguimento è, poi dov'è, già come vedi sto pensando ancora a te, questa notte che passa piano accanto a me, cerco di affrontarla, afferrarla, e saprando le curve nel cuore sbandando un po', voglio provocarla anche adesso che sto pensando a te, sto pensando a noi, da un po'.
about the boy. And I know it's stupid to be mad about the boy. I'm so ashamed of it, but must admit the sleepless nights I've had about the boy. On the silver screen, he melts my foolish heart in every single scene. Although I'm quite aware that here and there are traces of the cad about the boy. Lord knows I'm not a fool girl. I really shouldn't care. Lord knows I'm not a schoolgirl who's in the flurry of her first affair. Will it ever cloy this odd diversity of misery and joy? I'm feeling quite insane and young again, and all because I'm mad